Last class, do you have any doubts, ma? Last class, do you have any doubts? Last class. Anyone have doubt? Last class. Why very silent? Yeah, is it audible, my voice? Is it audible? Yeah, Kaushal. Okay. So we'll discuss the numericals based on the colligative properties and as well as vapor pressure. Then based on the abnormal colligative properties, we'll discuss. I think we have been completed based on the concentration terms. Based on the concentration on that numericals, we have been completed. Yes, na? So the incomplete one is based on the colligative properties we didn't discuss. Yeah, the numericals. So do note down the question. Numerical 0.15 gram of 0.15 gram of substance dissolved in a substance dissolved in a 15 gram solvent 15 gram solvent boiled at temperature boiled at temperature boiled at temperature higher by 0.216 degree Celsius than that pure solvent than that pure solvent than that pure solvent. What is the molar mass? What is the molar mass of the substance? What is the molar mass of the substance? Kf for solvent, Kf equal to 2.16 degrees Celsius. So what is asking molar mass of the solvent? So what and all they given, we should write first. So given so 0.15 gram of substance, nothing but it is a solvent or solute. Solute weight is how much? W2 equal to 0.15 gram. Dissolved in a 15 grams of solvent. So that is nothing but W1. W1 is 15 grams of solvent. Boiled at high temperature and higher by 0.216 than pure solvent. Pure solvent is how much, ma? We know very well pure solvent. So nothing but it is higher that. So del TB, how much will be higher means del TB equal to 0.216 degrees Celsius del TB they given. Then remaining what they given here The temperature, how much will be higher means this much they given. Then Kf how much here? Constant. Kf equal to 2.16 degrees Celsius. Then what they are asking here? They are asking here molar mass of the substance. Then find the answer. Boiling point, no, sorry, it's a kb. It's not kf ma. It's a kb. It's boiling point, no, kb. kb. Then find. We know very. So what is the formula of elevation boiling point? Del Tb equal to Kf into what? W2 by MW2 into 1000 by W1 in grams. So del Tb how much here? 0.216 0.216 degree Celsius. That equal to Kf is how much? Kf 2 point how much? 16 degree Celsius into W2 given weight is how much here? 0.15 gram divided by MW2 molar mass we have to be find here on 1000 by W1 is how much here? 15 grams. Then calculate and find the MW2. You'll get easily answer. In this side 0.216 divided by 2.16 equal to 0.15 into 1000 by MW2 into 15. Take this. This you will get again 150 by 15. 150 by 15 means 5 ones and 10s will come. 10s you should send, you will get our answer. It's a very simple calculation. How much is the answer? MW2 is how much? Yeah, very good. What about others? Very, very good. Kaushal, Niveda, Prithvi, Shahida, Vedan, Vinod will get here 100. 100 grams is the molecule of the unknown substance. Okay. 1 by 10 will come here. 1 by 10 will come here. Here you can take means 150 by 15, 150 by 150 by 15 means 10 by molecular weight. Do Christmas means you'll getting as 100. 10 into 10 you'll get as 150 divided by molecular weight into 15. So 15 ones, 15 tens. So do Christmas. 10 molecular weight equal to 100. Got it? Anyone have down to do this? Next. Second one. Note down. The rise in boiling point of solution. The rise in boiling point of solution. Boiling point of solution containing 1.8 gram of glucose, 1.8 gram of glucose. Glucose formula is what? Glucose formula C6H12O6. 1.8 gram of glucose in a 100 grams of solvent. In a 100 grams of solvent is 0.1 degree Celsius. The molar elevation constant for the liquid is the molar elevation constant. Then we'll see that molar elevation constant means what? How much is asking. So then right here, same formula, del TB equal to KB into W2 by MW2 into 1000 by W1 in grams. So the rising boiling point of solution containing 1.8 grams of glucose in a 100 grams of solvent. This one, according to that one, we can write here. Let's see, boiling point is 1.8 grams of glucose. So W2 is given weight is 1.8 grams. That is what glucose, nothing but molecular weight of glucose is, if you can calculate, means 180 will get 180 grams. 180 will get. Then we can go for here. Solvent weight is how much? W1 is 100 gram solvent weight. Then how much the rise in boiling point? How much it is rises? 0.1. So del TB equal to 0.1 degree Celsius. Then what is asking? KB is how much? Molar elevation constant. Find first molarity. Molarity you should find and send this side, you will get your answer. So 0.1 equal TB. WD is how much? 1.8 by 180 into 1000 by 100. 1000 by 100. So if you calculate, means here hundreds and twos. So 18 by 180. So you will get here 0 cancel. So here will be 0.1 equal to KB into. So once tens will come here. So 1 by 10 will goes. And you can send. You get this how much your answer? KB equal to 10 into 0.1. How much you will get? 10 into 0.1 means 1. Right? Are you getting this one? Anyone not understand? Next, question number 3. If freezing point of solution, prepared from 1.25 gram of non-electrolyte, 1.25 gram of non-electrolyte and 20 grams of water, and 20 gram of water is 271.9 Kelvin, and the molar mass of solute will be, and molar mass of solute will be. See the question and read the question properly. What they're asking, let's see. Given you should write the freezing point solution prepared from 1.25 gram is given weight. So W2 equal to 1.25 gram of non-electrolyte and 20 grams of water. 20 gram of water is nothing but solvent is 20 gram. Okay. The freezing point of solution is prepared. Solution freezing point is this much. Solution freezing point means what? So we know del TB equal to, sorry, TF equal to, what is the formula? Del TF equal to difference of del TF, how much ma? What you can take? Yeah, which will come. Solvent freezing point bigger or solution freezing point should be greater. Solvent or solute? Absolutely solvent only, pure solvent. So minus, this is higher, this is lower. So this is the solvent, pure solvent freezing point. This is solution freezing point. Then he given as a this one. Then he given as a this one. We know very well. We have to be know the TF. Let's find here. Del TF equal to so pure solvent freezing point is how much more? Water will be soluble freezes at 0 degrees Celsius na, but in terms of kelvins we have to take 0 degrees means how much Kelvin? 0 degrees means how much Kelvin? 273 kelvins minus how much? Solution freezing point how much they solution how much they given? This much they give 271.9 Kelvin. 271.9 Kelvin. That's how much? LTF is 71. 1 point, how much? 1.1 Kelvin you'll get. So then you can find here del TF equal to KF into W2 by MW2 into 1000 by W1. So what is asking in this question? He is asking molecular weight of the substance. So he is asking this one. So KF for the solvent, it's a constant value. Constant value I didn't given na for water. So note down constant value for KF is 1.86. KF is 1.86. They will give in question itself. 1.86. Del DB is how much? 1.1 equal to 1.86 into W2 how much? 1.25 divided by MW2 multiplied with 1000 by solvent weight is how much? 20. And calculate how much you answer and find W2. MW2 equal to how much? Are getting why I'm this one? This formula. Are you getting? See, given as a solution freezing point only, but we need this one now. We need depression freezing point. Then automatically we know water will be boils at what temperature. Sorry, freezes at what temperature. Then based on that, we have found here depression freezing point. Then we have substituted here. Then we have to be find the molecular weight of the substance. So initially they given as a direct things, but here in now somewhat they went to the insight. Initially they given as a direct form, direct calculations, but they went somewhat inside. Calculate how much is the answer, you can say. Calculate and say the answer. I'll read up to another question. Molar depression constant, nothing but Kf for water, Kf for water, K for water is 1.86 degrees Celsius. 1.86 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of FP of 0.05 molal solution of a non-electrolyte in a water. Non-electrolyte in a water. Yeah, Vinodini, very good, ma. Vinodini, very good. Kf, the given first given values you should note down here. Kf given. Kf for water is how much? 1.86. It's a constant. Then freezing point of 0.05 molal solution. Nothing but molality is 0.05 is over. Then what is asking? Freezing point. Is asking freezing point of the solution is asking. Nothing but del Tf equal to T naught F minus Tf. This is he is asking. He is asking this one. Then we know this one. Then write the formula del Tf. Yeah, very good, Prithvi. Del Tf equal to Kf into M. Kf also they given, M also they given. Then del Tf equal to how much? Del Tf I am substituting here. T naught F minus Tf equal to Kf into M. Then Kf value they given, M value they given. Then T naught F value how much for water? T naught F is how much for water? Is 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. Why? Here the Kf they given as a degree Celsius. Now that way I have to take as a degree Celsius here also. Find here how much answer. 0 degrees Celsius minus Tf equal to Kf is how much here? 1.86 degrees Celsius into M is 0.05 molarity. And what is your Tf? How much is the Tf? Yeah, you have done very good. Vinodini and as well as the answer is 105.6 grams. 105.6 grams is answer. The above question. And what about this? Just you have to multiply now that one. Minus 0.091. Very good. Very. Minus 0.0. This is what? The units is here. Degree Celsius na. So this is degree Celsius we have taken. This also will be degree Celsius. If the answer is there in Kelvins, means what you have to do? You have to be convert this value into the Kelvins. That's all. Nothing but you have to be subtract 273 minus 0.091. If you subtract means you will get as a Kelvins also. The answer for is 105.6. Okay, Vetri. You didn't get that one. Yeah, okay, no problem. Next, we'll go for fifth question. All of you completed up to 4. All of you completed up to 4. Have completed or not? Yeah, Next, anyone have doubts, ma? Anyone have doubts in above questions? How to solve? Okay, all of you. Yeah. Next, a cane sugar solution has a cane sugar solution has osmotic pressure of osmotic pressure of osmotic pressure of 2.46 atma 2.46 atma at 300 degrees at 300 kelvins at 300 kelvins. What is the strength? What is the strength of the solution? What is the strength of the solution? Strength is nothing but here how much the concentration they are asking. The concentration. Let's we know very well phi equal to what is the formula? CRT. Is asking C. Phi how much given value you can write osmotic pressure is how much given values phi equal to 2.46 atma. Then temperature is how much T. T equal to how much 100 Kelvin. Then R is what? R is gas constant. In 11th standard you have learned gas constant. Gas constant how much means here 0.0821. 0.0821. Then substitute you will get the C. C equal to RT by 5. RT by 5. Sorry. C equal to 5 by RT. I have mistaken. Sorry. 5 by RT. Pi is how much here? 2.46. R value is 0.081 into T is 300. And C is how much? Do calculations. Very simple calculation that one. I'm going for another question. Sixth one. What is the osmotic pressure of what is the osmotic pressure of 12% solution 12% solution of cane sugar cane sugar is nothing but what? Yeah, very good ma Vinotini. Have done. Yeah, very good Vetri. I think about around approximate how much that one? 0.099 means 0.1 we can write. That is what is the units for that? C is nothing but what there? Let's say molarity. Cane sugar at 17 degrees Celsius. 17 degrees Celsius. How much? 0.99. What is this units? Molarity. Moles per liter. Concentration N by V. Number of moles present in a 1 liter of solution. So do this here for this sum answer given. Come for this. What is the osmotic pressure of 12% of solution of cane sugar at 17 degrees Celsius? At 17 degrees Celsius. Osmotic pressure is asking. So phi equal to how much is asking? Then 12% of solution of cane sugar. 12% is nothing but what more? 12 grams dissolved in a 100 ml of water. 100 ml of water. That you can say as a 12% of cane sugar. Okay. So nothing but given weight is how much here? Given weight WT is 12 grams. Then MW2 for cane sugar is how much? Sucrose formula C12H22O11. This molecular weight equal to 342. Molecular weight is 342. Then we'll go for here. Another thing what they gave, phi equal to, what is asking? Phi is asking. So what is our formula? Phi is equal to C into RT. R value how much here? 0.082. 0.082. 821. Then T how much given? 17 degrees Celsius. That 17 you can convert into kelvins. 17 degrees Celsius plus 273. So you will get here 17 plus 273. How much you will get? 290 kelvins is your answer. 290. Then substitute, you will get your answer. Osmotic pressure. Phi equal to W2 by MW2. Why? Because concentration, molarity. 1000 by V into R into T. So W2 how much they gave? 12 grams divided by molecular weight is 342 into 1000 by V is how much here? 100 ml of volume of solution. R is 0.0821. T is 290 Kelvin. Then how much the phi? Ready? Kaushal, Niveta. Niveta, you are very much silently or listening. Are you getting or not? Rohini. Rohini. Vinodini. How much ma? Do some, I think some decimals have been missed. Once you check. No, no, even you also Vetri. You also. Concentration is how much you got? 120 divided by 342. Concentration is 0.35. 0821 and multiplied with 290. Yeah, very good. Now you got Prithvi and Vinodini. Prithvi and Vinodini, now you got. So how much? What are the units for that? Osmotic pressure units. 8.0 0.33 atma. Atma. Units for atma. Okay. Getting up to now. Next. 7th one. So already this model we have done. Again, I'm giving, you should do. Now you should try here. The solution containing 8.16 gram urea. 8.16 gram urea. Urea formula is NH2CONH2. Urea formula is NH2CONH2. In 1 liter, was found to be isotonic with 0.5 percentage. 8.33 will get Petri. 8.33 atma you will get. Around you got now, no problem. You got nearby values now, no problem. Now that much variation they won't give in the answers. Okay. So 7th one only now we are doing now. Now I am writing 7th one. 6th one got over. 7th one we are going. Okay. 0.5 percentage weight by value percentage. Got it, Vitri? Value percentage. Solution of organic non-volatile solute. Calculate the molar mass of organic compound. Calculate the molar mass of organic compound. First answer. What is saying, ma? A solution containing 8.6 gram of urea in 1 liter was found to be isotonic. Isotonic is saying. Isotonic means what, ma? Both solution having same osmotic pressure. Then what is the formula? Phi1 equal to Phi2, both having same. Phi1 equal to Phi2 means we'll write as a C1 RT equal to C2 RT. Then R and T is constant, so it will be cancelled. C1 equal to C2. C11 is nothing but what? W1 by MW1 into 1000 by V, that equal to C2 is how much? C2. W2 by MW2 into 1000 by V. We'll see, take care. Now you can write the given values. The solution containing 8.6 gram of urea. So nothing but this I am taking as a W1. So W1 equal to 8.6 gram. Then molecular weight of urea, calculate. NH2CONH2. Molecular weight of urea. You will get, I think, 60. Molecular weight of urea is 60 gram. Then what is the value? V. This is V1, we can think. This is V2. V1 is how much? 1 liter. Nothing but 1000 ml. 1000 ml over. Then we'll go for here W2 plus. What is that? Isotonic with 0.5 percentage of solution of organic non-volatile solute. 0.5 percentage is nothing but what? 0.5 grams are dissolved in a 100 ml of solution. 0.5 gram. Nothing but WD equal to 0.5 gram. Then MW2, we don't know, that is organic compound they're asking, molar mass. Then 0.5 gram dissolved in a 100 ml of solution. So V2 is equal to 100 ml. So values also, all those things we got. Then what is asking? Molecular weight of the organic compound he is asking. Then substitute will get here. W1 is how much? 8.1, 8.6 gram divided by W 60 into 1000 by 1000 is that equal to W2 how much ma? 0.5 gram divided by MW2 into 1000 by V2 is how much? 100. Then we need here it is W2. Very simplest calculations you can do, you'll get answer. How much? Yeah, very good. Vinodini, Vetri. Prithvi, once you calculate ma properly, some decimal have been missed. Decimals have changed. Positions of decimal have been changed. 34.9 grams is your answer. Got it? Okay. So now I'm giving the simplest question. It's a very simplest question. An example of colligative property. An example of colligative property. One is Fe freezing point. Two, boiling point. Three, vapor pressure. Four, osmotic pressure. Four is osmotic pressure. Yeah, very good. So what is meant by colligative property, which will be depends upon the number of moles. Number of moles. Suppose if you take as a freezing point, for the even 100 liters also will be 100 liter of water will be freezing point will be 100 degrees Celsius. Even 10 liters of water also will be 100 degrees Celsius only. Boiling point, sorry, 0 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius. Even for boiling point also will be for 100 liters also will be boils at 100 degrees Celsius. If 10 liters also boils at 100 degrees Celsius also. Even vapor pressure also will be same only. If we go for osmotic pressure, it's not like it depends upon the number of moles. So we have only colligative properties 4. That is RLVP, relative lowering vapor pressure. Then another one is the elevation boiling point LTP. Then elevation, depression freezing point NDF, and osmotic pressure 5. These 4 only an example for colligative property. And one more thing, you should listen this question and give the reply. In cold countries, ethylene glycol is added. Ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol is added to water in radiators of cars. In radiators of cars during the winter. It results in reducing. It results in reducing viscosity or specific heat or freezing point or boiling point. So nothing but why we are adding ethylene glycol in a radiators of car's radiator. In winter season, we are adding ethylene glycol to radiators of car. Why we are adding means to decrease the freezing point. To decrease the freezing point. That's why we are adding. If freezing point will be decreased means then automatically that will be doesn't freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. That is for that purpose we are adding ethylene glycol. Actually, water will be freezes, H2O will be freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. But if you add ethylene glycol, that will be freezes at less than 0 degrees Celsius. Less than 0 degrees Celsius. Nothing but it won't be freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. So that's why for that purpose they are adding in radiators of cars. Ethylene glycol they are adding in radiators of car. Radiator. It's not radiation. Radiator. Okay. Now done another question. This is the homework for you. Homework. The osmotic pressure of solution. Osmotic pressure of solution at 0 degrees Celsius. At 0 degrees Celsius is 4 atma. Is 4 atma. Will be the osmotic pressure. What will be the osmotic pressure OP at 546 kelvins at 546 kelvins under similar condition. Under similar condition. Homework. Homework question. Then another homework question I am giving here. 10th. Calculate the molar depression constant of a solvent is nothing but depression Kf. Calculate Kf which has freezing point Ft 16.6 degrees Celsius and latent heat of fusion LF latent heat of fusion is 180.75 joule per gram. So the thermodynamic condition is there now. Kf value, Kf equal to del Tp molecular weight into del Tp del T naught B del T naught F square by 1000 into Lb. Formula you can use. Kf formula, one formula I give. So that is a homework for you. Okay. Next, it's important. In last class we have discussed that one. Do now. A 5% solution, a 5% solution of anhydrous CaCl2 anhydrous CaCl2 at 0 degree Celsius developed R value is same only, no, it's constant 0.082 0.0821. Okay, here Kelvin and Atma, the pressure is Atma and temperature is Kelvin, so we have to take 0.082, not 8.314. A 5% of solution of anhydrous CaCl2 at 0 degree Celsius developed 15 atma pressure, 15 atma osmotic pressure. What is the degree of dissociation? What is the degree of dissociation? What is the degree of dissociation of CaCl2? Okay, it's important. In yesterday class we have discussed degree of dissociation, degree of association. Alpha he's asking. Let's see what is the osmotic pressure given. So nothing but abnormal colligative property. Abnormal osmotic pressure. What is the formula? Phi equal to ICRT. ICRT. Sorry, it's not R, it's T. ICRT. ICRT. So we have to find I here. Van Hoff factor we have to find. If you know the Van Hoff factor, I equal to, for dissociation, n minus 1 by sorry, alpha equal to n minus 1 by I minus 1. N minus 1 by I minus 1. So he's asking alpha. So if you have to find first I. So our given value should note down here. Given value is how much? What is the given values here? 5% of solution. 5% of solution is nothing but what, ma? W2 is 5 gram and V1 volume is 100 ml. Temperature how much? 273. Why? Because 0 degree Celsius, 273. Then R value is how much? 0.0821 R value they given. Then CaCl2 weight is how much? W2 M molecular weight. Molecular weight is how much? Very good. No. Fluorine is 71 and plus 40 should add. 40 plus 71. So we are getting as a 111 grams. Molecular weight is 111. Then C 5 value, 5 how much they given? 5 is 15 atma. And substitute, find first I value. First I value. 15 atma equal to I into C is how much? C is nothing but W2 by MW2. 5 divided by 111 into 1000 by B is how much? 100 ml into C. R value is how much? 0.0821 and multiplied with T value 273. Then find the I value first. Find the I value. It's a 100 na 100 ml. I equal to, you will get here 1.48, you will get 1.48, you will get I value if you calculate. One 1.48 you will get, and half factor is 1.48. Then after finding of and half factor, what is asking? Degree of dissociation. What is asking here? Degree of dissociation. So degree of dissociation means what? Alpha equal to n minus 1 by I minus 1. I value n value for CaCl2. For CaCl2, what is the n value? CaCl2, what is the n value here? CaCl2 will be dissociated to Ca plus 2 plus 2Cl minus. So here we have total number of ions is 3. So n value is 3. So alpha equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 1.48 minus 1. So alpha is how much? 2 minus 2 divided by 0.48. Two divided by 0.48. Nothing but approximately 0.5 you should take. So then how much you are getting? 7.1 na Vetri. 2 divided by 0.48 means 0.5 you should take approximately. Is formula is correct? Alpha? Is it the formula is correct? Is this formula is correct? For dissociation? Is this formula is correct? Wrong. What are you learning then? If what I give, that only will do. Alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1 formula. Dissociation. Alpha equal to I minus 1, n minus 1. What you are simply, you are what I giving that formulas you are going. Huh? You are not at all going. For the association is what is the formula? Alpha. Alpha equal to I minus 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n minus 1. Substitute here. Alpha equal to how much? This is your formula. It's not your formula. Alpha equal to I is how much ma? We got here I value how much we got? 1.48. LV 1/2 factor is 1.48. Minus 1 by n value is how much? 3 minus 1. So alpha equal to 0.24. This is the degree of dissociation. R will take as a 24% in terms of percentage. This much will be dissociation is happen for CaCl2. It's not 100%. Got it? Learn what I'm giving that formulas now. It's very much important. When I'm teaching that time itself, you have to be learn. If what I'm giving that formulas, if you go means what you're learning, you check for that purpose only I gave. I kept up to 2 minutes also that formula there itself only. No one given reply. Huh? Learn properly. Okay. So this is your formula. This is your answer. So like that, you have to be find if you go for abnormal colligative properties also. You know you told when. Yeah, very good, Vinodini. I didn't observe. I didn't notice that. Very good. I minus 1 by n minus 1. Very good. Okay. So take I'll give homework. You 2 questions. I'll give homework. Then what I'll give means all of you should buy first previous year previous book. Here NEET aspirant means NEET previous year book you should buy. NEET previous year question bank should buy. And your JEE aspirant means should buy previous year question bank JEE. If you buy that book, if already have that book, and open the solution chapter and do the and solve the questions. That if you have any queries and ask to me, I will clear you. Okay. Anyone have doubts? Anyone have doubts? Okay, ma. Bye. We'll meet in the next session. We'll start the new chapter. Take screenshot. Okay. Bye.